to September 2023. We signed up to the Workforce Menopause Pledge. We held a number of events to celebrate Black History Month. We held our first in-person staff awards ceremony to celebrate our amazing colleagues. We received great feedback since we launched WageStream financial support for staff. Our health visitors launched dad pads to help new fathers. We helped launch the Cozy Cafe, a warm hub in Dudley. We have developed our role as lead provider for mental health, learning disabilities and autism. Walsall Sanctuary Hub won Service of the Year at the Rethink Awards. Our pioneering key worker service was celebrated after a successful pilot. We were proud partner of the Dudley Family Hub network. Our Presents for Patients campaign brought festive cheer to our patients at Christmas. We welcomed the permanent appointment of Marsha Foster as Chief Executive. We held in-person and online events to share our community mental health transformation project. Mental health provision in Sandwell schools was praised following a national visit. Staff support and wellbeing highlights. Trust psychologist Fawzia Khan published a chapter on widening access to the profession. Our community children's nursing team made improvements to their service. Our 24/7 helpline was nominated for a national award at the Helpline Awards. We developed an autism framework following a number of co-production events. Our unspoken word poetry collection was launched on World Poetry Day. We took part in 24 Hours in Healthcare to shine a light on our urgent care teams. We worked with Dudley Voices for Choice to set up the Secure Voices patient group at Jerry Simon Clinic. We achieved accreditation by UNICEF's Baby Friendly Initiative. Our resourcing team made a number of improvements to streamline the recruitment process. We held a Let's Listen, Talk and Act event for the Ghanaian community around suicide and mental health. Our successful Thrive Into Work scheme was extended a further 2 years. We launched a range of sessions through our Let's Talk service, helping to combat loneliness. We raised the Windrush flag to mark 75 years of HMS Windrush and developed a poster highlighting our multicultural workforce. We became Veteran Aware accredited in our commitment to supporting people from the armed forces. We celebrated 75 years of the NHS. Build plans for Bloxwich Hospital reprovision and Edward Street Hospital refurbishment are well underway. Mental health nurse Cyril Chassé II won weightlifting gold at the Commonwealth Weightlifting Championships. Our Reflections service teamed up with football clubs over the summer to boost children's mental health. Carolyn Green joined us as interim chief nurse. Our Shine a Light Dementia Choir reached high notes with their first practice sessions. The Recovery College held successful open day events across Dudley, Sandwell, Walsall and Wolverhampton. We held a series of community events around suicide prevention. We've continued to support the development of our system place-based partnerships and integrated care partnership. We held an ICS-wide Equality, Diversion and Inclusion event at the Hawthorns. Our community mental health transformation continues, including the introduction of Admiral nurses across the Black Country. As lead provider, we have carried out important work to tackle health inequalities. We have brought together the voluntary and community sector with the launch of the Black Country Stakeholder Forum. We launched digital clinical officers to usher in a new way of thinking about how the clinical and digital worlds can come together. We welcome Susan Van Genderen as Interim Director of Therapies. We expanded our staff networks to include the Women's Network and Carers Network. We launched the Be Your Best Leadership programme to support staff development. We launched a clinical senate to ensure the clinical voice is at the heart of decision making. We are carrying out a review of our community learning disability services to help reduce health inequalities. We started work on a new complex emotional needs pathway. We are Black Country Healthcare NHS.